Hi, this is Wayne with Bassador Woodworking. We're back in the wood shop today. It's very cold again, so I have a couple of heaters running to try to bring it up above freezing in the wood shop so that I can turn a couple of plywood cups today. The one from the last video came out really nice, so I'm really looking forward to making the change bowl and also to try out the larger blank I made out of the Baltic birch plywood. There's one down. I like how it came out. I'm just going to remove it from the faceplate, sand the bottom, and then hit it with a coat or two of water-based polyurethane. Okay, now that those two are done, I'm going to make the big 5x5 bowl. So this will end up being probably a little bit over 4 inches round in diameter. And this one's going to take a while. So let's get at it. This is about the largest piece you'd ever want to turn on a lathe this size. This is supposed to have a distance of about 6 inches, but anything over about 5 and you're really cutting it close. I had to even remove the knob from my tool rest so that I could fit it underneath the block and it wouldn't be in the way, just so that I could get my tool rest aligned. thoroughly excited with the way that this came out. I just need to take it off the faceplate and hit it with some polyurethane. I am thoroughly covered in dust and my lathe is encaked in sawdust. The lathe probably creates the most sawdust out of any tool that I have, even beating the planer. So that's going to take quite a while to clean up, but I will do that right after this. I will do that off camera so you don't have to watch it. I did another 2 cups tonight. That with the one I did last night, that gives me 3 good cups that are all of different shapes and sizes. I'm going to continue to make my way through the other blanks that I have set up, including the 2x4 and the other plywood that I haven't gotten to yet. I really thought I was going to get to some of the 2x4 tonight, but it's getting very cold in the wood shop again, and I'm going to need to get inside. I can't feel my fingers as it is, and I still need to clean up. So I'm going to get to that. You don't have to watch that part. I will put out another couple of videos in the next few days with the plywood cup and as well as the 2x4s. And then I have a few other projects that are coming up in the weekend, so you'll want to make sure that you're around for those. So thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to keep up to date with any new projects that we have coming out. And until next time, thank you.